If you're like me, you probably have those weeks, right? The ones where you've got everything meticulously planned out on your pretty calendar, visions of being super productive, tackling all your tasks, and still having plenty of time for those fun, creative projects you've been dreaming of. For me, this week was supposed to be the week I finally learned how to make jewelry. It's something I've wanted to do for a little while, and I've been slowly collecting all the bits and bobs to make myself a very few beginner pieces. I was genuinely so excited to dig into that, to learn a new skill. I'm on this whole, rediscovering creativity journey. I'm really trying to prioritize learning new creative skills. So yeah, I was super pumped about it. But then life does what life does, doesn't it? This week, decided to throw absolutely everything at me. First, I got a horrible migraine that completely knocked me out for 2 days. Then my work schedule just exploded, which, is great because I love my clients, but it definitely ate into my planned creative time. And then, as if that wasn't enough, the garbage disposal broke. And then my dog got sick. Really, really sick. There were emergency vet runs, late nights, pretty much no sleep, and a brain that just flat out refused to focus when I was actually awake. So instead of sitting down to learn a brand new intricate skill simply because A, I didn't have the time, and B, I realized I absolutely needed for my creative and mental health to do some projects that were creative but honestly potentially bordering on chores. Projects that allow me to tick some completed boxes, that allow me to feel like I was accomplishing something, anything creative that I could control. I'm already feeling pretty overwhelmed with the holiday season since I do a lot of hosting, so I knew that something I could take off the completed list that would also feel genuinely good would be decorating and fixing things around the house. I bought this vintage lamp that I've been needing to fix and hang for months, but since it needs to be repaired, I wanted to make it look a little bit prettier. And if I wasn't going to learn how to make new jewelry, I had planned on repairing some jewelry I had sitting around, but that led me to realizing that it was buried under my mending pile. So I decided to just go ahead and tackle that mending pile. Really just taking solace in acknowledging that some things that have been needing to be done also feel like I'm scratching somewhat of a creative itch. this was definitely a week that felt like it wasn't my own. But through it all, I did feel that I needed to take some control over the few things I could control. So I worked with my clients and also just tried to find the creative spark in the everyday errands that needed to get done. I tried to turn some have-tos into get-to-dos and just fix some things. So while this wasn't the week I planned, the creative projects I planned, and definitely not the video I planned, I do feel good. I do feel like I got some creative moments in and I was able to just fix some things. I'd love to know, how do you handle weeks like these when everything is just telling you to crawl back under the covers? I'd love to know, do you try to fix things or do you just let them be? Let me know in the comments, how do you handle this? What should I try next time? All right, darlings, thanks for hanging out with me this week. I'll see you soon.